Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video to watch it. It is the end of week 1 of distance learning, and I'm going to go through a lot of important things that some of us missed, myself included, things we can get better at, and just stuff moving forward for week 2. So to start, I'm going to go through a lot of things on the page to make sure you're watching this, following along, so you know how to access all of these things. So to start, I have added this at the top of the page. Okay, it says how to access all of the information for distance learning. Make sure you have done all of step 1 before asking a question. Step 1, scroll to the bottom of the materials page, which we are on. Click on, read through, and watch all videos for every day of class. Each day of class, it should be titled Distance Learning with the date. They are at the bottom, just scroll. Once you click on the folder, read the entire page and watch all of the teacher's videos. So if I'm speaking, watch that video. If there's a teacher working out in a YouTube video, watch that video. If you do not watch these videos, if you are only going to complete the work in this class by going to the gradebook and clicking on assignments, it is going to be very hard to be successful. So if you're just going to the gradebook and clicking on what you're supposed to turn in, yes, I would understand you're going to be confused, because I do not put any of the information that you should know in the gradebook. All of the information you should know is going to be in these folders once you click on them. So for example, Monday's class, which some of us have yet to go look at. In task 3, fill out this Google Forms survey. There is a hyperlink right there. It will take you to the survey. Now, if you click on this and the survey does not come up, feel free to shoot me a question and ask if there is another way that I can give you those questions. But if you are just going to the bottom here and clicking on Google Forms survey and you're confused because there's no survey, that is correct. Because if you were to follow all the way through task 3, you're going to fill out this Google Forms survey. Does that make sense? Task 2, complete this at-home workout and fill out the questions at the bottom of the page. So here's the workout and fill out the questions. So if we are filling out the questions 5 minutes after this class has been published, are you filling out the workout? No. Good. Okay, for another day, let's say, for example, we're going to go to yesterday's workout, which was Thursday. Okay, on Thursday, I had a little video here that explained what you were supposed to do. Miss Egan also had a video here that you were supposed to watch, so you knew what all of these were. So if you got to the reflection questions and you were confused because you didn't understand what was supposed to be done, what should you have done? Probably go watch task 3 to explain today's workout. Now, if you watch this video and you just can't figure something out, it just still doesn't make sense, you did the whole workout and you just don't know how to answer these reflection questions, please come and talk to me about it. But make sure you're going through all of the steps first before you come and talk to me. So for today, Friday, here are our tasks. So task 1, my video will be here. I know some of you have had issues accessing the video that is a thumbnail. I'm going to put the links to all the YouTube videos underneath moving forward. If clicking on my video does not work, try that link. If that link still does not work, please reach out to me and I'll send you the link in an email, and that has seemed to work from here on out. For today's assignment, you are actually going to have to learn and read and learn what a Tabata workout is. So, Tabata workouts they consist of 8 exercises with short amounts of rest. Each exercise is 20 seconds. There's 10 seconds of rest between each. At the end of all 8 exercises, there'll be a 2-minute rest. So if you do the math, it's a 4-minute workout. So today you're creating your own. All of the instructions are here. You're going to choose 8 exercises from the list below, fill out the PDF and Notability at the bottom of the page. So I have given you 20 exercises with explanations of each one in a GIF form. You're going to download the PDF. You're going to fill out what your 8 exercises are, and then you're going to complete your own workout that you were able to create. Once you are done with that, you are going to turn it into the Build Your Own Tabata workout assignment. This is due tonight at midnight. So make sure we're going through. There's only 1 week left, so make sure all of your assignments turn in. If you have absences, as I stated in previous videos, you should be going to the makeup folder to fill those out. There are 5 assignments in there. You can only do them each one time. When you're done with them, please email them to me and I will get those added into the gradebook. If you have any other questions, let me know. Please look through all those folders if you have not, and have fun.